Hey, this Coach Rod, your business and personal credit coach. And I want to come in right quick to give you three tier one vendors that reports to Dun Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian. A lot of companies that you get when it comes to tier one accounts don't report to them. And we always hear about the Uline, the Grainger, um, these other certain companies. But I want to give you three that is the ones that I tell most of my clients to use. And the first one is Incredible. And it's very important that you use Incredible because it reports all your business utilities. It reports your business rent, lease, your office, virtual office, your business insurance, your light, your water, gas, your mobile bill, cable, everything that costs to run your business, you put it on your business credit. And every month it reports on your business credit side. So anything that you have in business, you put it on your business account and it's called Incredible. And what Incredible, it reports to Dun Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. Those are the big three in the business credit side. And it's a net 30. So basically what you do is you have 30 days to pay it off. I normally tell my clients to pay it off in 25 days. Pay it off in 25 days. And there's no personal guarantee. No personal guarantee. Everything that I'm going to give you today is there's no personal guarantee. So you don't have to pull out your social security number for nothing. There's no PG. We call it PG, personal guarantee. There's no personal guarantee on all these three things I'll give you today. The second one is CEO Creative. Basically, what you could do on this site, you can build your website, business cards, office supplies, flyers, car signs, t-shirts, chargers, earbuds, any accessory for your phone. These are the things. You can even get logos. You can do your own logos with this company. And these are the things you need for your business. So why not use it to build business credit? Why not use it to build business credit? It's called CEO Creative. And what I'm going to do is all three of these companies, I'm going to put it in the comments. I'm going to put it on the comments in the description. And so these are the companies that's going to help you build business credit for the long term. And so what it is, it's a net 30. It reports only to Equifax. But you need at least 5 tier ones that reports to build business credit to go to tier 2. So this one reports to Equifax. And it's no personal guaranteed. And it's a net 30. So you can buy these things. So what you do is you go on the site, you buy it and tell them, invoice me. And they're going to invoice you. So CEO Creative. The third one is Credit Strong. This is like a savings account for your business. So it's a secured installment loan. And so basically what a secured installment loan is, basically you're using your money to build your credit. So every month, and their terms are 25 months to 50 months. There's no interest though. So at the end of each one, the one that you pick, the 25 of the 50, you get all your money back. It's like a personal, but it's reporting to build more business credit. And there's no credit check. There's no inquiries. There's no, you can cancel anytime. No upfront fees. There's none of that. So it's called Credit Strong. Credit Strong. And it's an installment loan. No personal guarantees. It's a loan. It reports to Experian and Equifax. So what I'm telling you, you don't have to get the Grainger, the Uline, these companies that you really don't need these stuff. Go to these three companies, man, to build your business and get the stuff that you need to live your daily life. And so that you're not wasting money. I see so many people go to these Ulines and get these office supplies, stuff that they really don't need. Yeah, you don't have to do that. Use these three companies like Incredible. You gotta pay bills, your business bills. So why not put it on your credit? CEO Creative. You gotta get a website. You gotta get earbuds for your kids need earbuds. You need t-shirts, whatever, logos for your business, all business cards. You need all this stuff. And you need to start more. You need to start saving your money for your business. So you do it by billing your credit. You don't have to put it in your bank account. Credit scoring, you don't have to put your money in your bank account. You can do it to build your business credit. So these are the tips. I'm going to put the names and the website in the comments. So if y'all need it, just tap into it, log on, and let's build your business credit the right way the first time, not the third time, the first time. Y'all be blessed.